South Carolina in the summer. It's only about 10 a.m. and it's already 30 degrees Celsius in here. And all I did was sweep the floor and vacuum after the dolphin sculpture project. And I'm just sweating like mad. Anyway, I missed my lathe. And I'm gonna do some simple projects today. I am going to use some of these old offcuts of the 12 maple loop sculpture that I did, and I'm gonna try to make some simple shot glasses just for laughs. I got 6 of these here and one's already on the lathe, so let's see what we can make. Figured that might happen. Yeah, so these turned out kind of cute. Obviously not useful as shot glasses. They're more decorative than anything. I ordered a branding iron, so I'll be able to brand these pretty soon. It hasn't arrived yet though. This maple really soaked up the finish. So I'm gonna put a few more coats on and that'll be it. Hopefully get a nice gloss on these. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more projects from Kami's Garage.